filming right now, guys. So I'm filming a house tour video and I'm filming a vlog. Call me multi-talented. I'm just kidding. So in this video, we're gonna go over first impressions. I'm gonna give you the home tour. We're gonna talk about special features and amenities from this home and neighborhood. We're gonna talk about the neighborhood, and then at the very end, I'm gonna go over a cost breakdown to show you how much it would be for you to own this home. What's up guys, Jeremy here and welcome to another tour video. Today we are in EWA Beach and we are in front of this house at 911028 Waipa'a Street. Currently, this house is not for sale. The reason why we're touring this is because I just helped my client purchase this not too long ago. But since it's vacant, I figure we do a home tour and I show you guys what's out there or what's similar to this in EWA Beach. Let's check it out. First things first, remove the shoes. In Hawaii, we always do this, and this is my client's house, so take off your shoes. All right, so first impressions of this home, it's big. Something that you guys have to know about EWA Beach homes in certain subdivisions, some homes have the garage in the front with a driveway, and then some other neighborhoods like this home has the garage separate from the home and the garage is in the back. That's the case for this home. So this is home, and then if you look over here, the garage is detached from the home and it's in the back. Other first impressions is that I like that there's a living room over here and then there's another family room or the kitchen over here and high ceilings. High ceilings, I don't know about you guys, but to me, high ceilings is like such a cool thing. You know, it's always cool. It makes the house feel bigger than it really is, and it's just a nice feature to have. So walking in, you're already in this main living room or whatever you want to call it, maybe the formal kids room, I don't know what, but I love how there's a lot of space here and over here. Maybe this could be the dining room, I'm not sure, but lots of square footage over here. So the square footage of this entire home is 1,922 and it sits on a lot of 4,200 square feet. This entire home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a 2-car parking garage. One special feature about this home is that there is a full bedroom and a full bathroom on the first floor. That's really, to me, an important feature to have, especially here in Hawaii, because a lot of families that live here are multi-generational. What that means is that maybe you have a family and maybe grandma and grandpa are living with you. So if that's the case, this bedroom would be perfect. They can live here, shower here, use the bathroom, and they don't have to go up and down the stairs because that's kind of hard for elderly people when they're old. But this, you know, if you're not multi-generational, it's okay. You know, you could use this as your guest room, maybe you use it as your office, but I think it just makes an awesome feature to have full bedroom and a full bathroom on the first floor. And then over here, you have your laundry room. And then over here, you have more storage space. The light doesn't work right now. We're getting that fixed, but I think it's awesome to have some storage space, especially underneath the stairs. Funny story, I used to live in Ocean Point, which is a neighborhood right next to here in Hawaii. And one time, I snuck a girl over and my parents didn't know. And as we were leaving, they came in through the door and I was like, oh my God. So I told her to hide in here real quick. And she stayed here for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes when they went to their room. And then when they left, she got out and I snuck her out. Success.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
All right, now we're heading over to the kitchen. As you guys saw, high ceilings, lots of space. You could, you know, put a TV here, put a couch. This is a nice island, so you could put some stools over here. This could be like your dining place. Right by the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. You got your dishwasher here. I think this is GE, yep, GE. So they're all matching. This comes standard with the Hawaii homes. Really nice, lots of counter space. And then, oh, yep, you got the Lazy Susan over here. That comes in clutch. And then you have the fridge. and your freezer. This is kind of like the standard appliances that you see in all these homes. Pretty cool. So you have your kitchen, dining area. You have kind of 2 living rooms, kind of over here and here. I don't know, some part of me feels like this is like a dining area as well. So right when you come upstairs, a lot going on. You have a bedroom right here behind me, and then you have another bedroom over here. And then what's cool is this area is kind of like a study or an office space. You have these 2 areas. So if you're a family and you have kids, this is the perfect place for them to focus, do their homework, study, put some computers up. More, what is this, closet space, linen? That's pretty nice. It's always nice to have more storage, more closet space. So 1 bedroom, another bedroom. Here's a full bathroom. That's for those other bedrooms. And then you have the primary. Primary is pretty spacious. And I like that they have like ceiling fans as well as central AC. And then if you look over here, this is the view. Got some mountain views over there, some backyard space over there as well. And then you have the primary bathroom. This is a cool, nice shower to have over here. And then if you go over there, that's a nice walk-in closet. Pretty spacious, not bad for a primary. And then over here, of course, you have the toilet, 2 sinks, big mirror. And then of course, you have your big tub to lounge and relax in. Pretty cool. Now let's check out the backyard and garage. Before we go downstairs, I totally forgot about this. This is a nice balcony. Could put some chairs up here and just kick it and relax. I mean, Huacalay is a really nice, quiet neighborhood. It's definitely the suburbs. It's really peaceful, actually, if you just stay here. The only thing with Ewa Beach, though, I grew up here my whole life, is that it can get super hot, like very hot. I don't know if I'm just a diva, but dude, like I'm sweating. It's like, it's not it. But other than that, I love Ewa Beach. All right, now we are in the backyard. This is like a nice, I guess, lanai porch area in the back. You can set up furniture here, just relax. There's a good amount of space on this lot. You have a space here. I remember back in my childhood home in Ocean Point, there was some space here. You could put a storage here. And then over here too, you have more grass area, which is always nice. I've also seen in some homes, they turn this into a gate and they put cement here and it becomes a 3rd parking spot. Or some people park their boat. So if you're a baller and you have a boat, you can do that too. And then here's the garage. It's separate from the home and it's in the back. And then we have our cars over here. But see, you can fit a big Tacoma here and then a crappy Tesla over there as well. And then if you look up, a lot of these homes have these railings or shelving, and then you can use that for storage as well. But yeah, pretty cool. Let's go back inside. So that's pretty much it for the house tour for this entire home. One cool amenity with homes in Huacalay. This home, you have access to the swim club. We don't have access to the swim club because we don't have the fobs. Only the owners can get access to that, but it's really nice. It's like a rec center. There's a pool, a jacuzzi, a tennis court, a small gym, and you have like a bunch of cabanas where you can rent out, host parties, bring friends over, and it's right next to a giant field. So you could essentially use that as a place for like recreation, play football or whatever sports and just hang out. Also, something nearby is the Huacalay Country Club. I'm not entirely sure what the pricing is to join that country club, but it's really nice and they have a really nice golf course. If I do find some information, I'll put it down right here as far as fees and how to join the country club. But as far as Huacalay and this home, that's pretty much it. Now it's time for the pricing breakdown. All right, so the pricing breakdown, my client purchased this for $1,080,000. It's actually a really good deal because most homes here are closing in around 1.1 or maybe 1.2. So if you were to buy this at $1,080,000, let's assume that you're putting down 10%, so that's about $108,000. Interest rates today is about 6.5%, and the HOA is $260 per month. So using Carl's mortgage calculator, I mentioned it in some of my past videos, you're looking at about $6,400 as your monthly mortgage with HOA. So not bad. If you can afford this and this is something that you're looking for, go ahead and email me here at info@jeremymateo.com. But thanks again for watching this entire video. If you made it this far, thanks. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Wait for this car. Hi. I love that. Other than that, I love Ewa Beach. Just kidding.